Alright. Stuff should be prepped now. I prepped a little more before stream. I should probably update the title. This is part 3. There we go. Honestly, Splatoon music could be enough for me to do anything. Hope I can finish this by today. I love the texturing work I did on this, man. Obviously, it's not the same as the original, but it's in my style. Emotional support. I gotta paint the back part. Let me like prep shit. The Scribe of Magic? What is this from? I'm just gonna prep some textures before I start. It sounds like music from a game I've played before. I just don't remember what game. Okay, this did have highlights. Alright. That. Hello. How's everyone doing today? We're gonna continue working on the model today. I'm sorry for the Jormungandr guy. I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. No, on Monday. I'll basically Give me a sec. The music. I'll work on that on Monday for you. I would work on it today, but I want to finish this model, at least the texturing. The rigging I'll do in my own time. Apparently I need to restart Blender. Let me just save real quick. But yeah, I'll work on your model on Monday. Not tomorrow, because tomorrow I spend time with my family. It's my father's birthday. Anyways, back to the intro. I honestly am gonna have quite a bit of fun just finishing the texturing on this model. I really hope I'm able to finish it and make it look good. And yeah, we're gonna texture, I think, the back part. What? Wait, what? Oh man, don't tell me. So what, I gotta manually update it? What the? What's going on? Give me a sec. Let me switch over to the screen. Just so you can see what the heck I'm dealing with. It's confusing. Oh, this is from Stray? I didn't know this music was from Stray. Anyways. Yeah, I'm having this issue right here. What's going on? Paint system not connected to material. Update material? Python? File, running Blender, foundation, let me put the extension user. What do you mean attribute color? What is going on? I don't know what's going on, man. What did he... Yeah, it's just like adding this to it. Attribute color? Undocumented operator. What? File. No, it's an edit preferences. Paint system. Give me a sec. What is going on? Now I can't use paint system because I updated it? Releases. Security project. Actions. Release. 1 hour ago. Uh-huh. Pull request. No. How do I know if this is the most updated version? Oh, there we go. Release. Latest. 2.0.3. And then we go install from disk. Undocumented operator? What? Hi! Hi, Chopperino. Sorry if I'm not doing much. Right now I'm trying to fix this right here, where it's giving me this error, where it's like, what does that mean? Undocumented. line 106 just is broken. I probably have to contact him. I don't know. It's a warning you didn't do something correctly. It is more of a warning than an error. Undocumented operator is shown when the operator does not have the tooltip set up. It's nothing the user did wrong. Oh. Well, what? Do I have to downgrade then? To use the actual thing? This one was a hot fix. This sucks. The rigging? No, we're not rigging yet. We're still texturing. I haven't finished texturing. Give me a sec. Preferences. Install from disk. Two 2.9.2 doesn't work. Okay. 2.0.1 then. Then install from disk. Dude, what is going on? Give me a sec, let me restart. Let me switch back to my face. This is annoying. Because I wanted to start working and now it's not working. Bro, what the... What is going on? Why does this not work? I'm sorry for making you go through all this trouble, you know? Like, you're watching me and it's just disappointing. Let me update it manually. Give me a sec. Okay, I think I updated it manually. Okay. Sup, Wilku? Sorry for you just seeing my face. Alright, we're going... Hey Swag, I've got the stream on mute since I'm in a car with my dad, so Wilco will provide commentary in my place. I did not discuss this with him beforehand. Oh my god, Wilco. That is pretty funny. What the heck? What is going on? Why is this not working? Update. What? Is it? No, because those are just textures. Apparently my freaking software just got disconnected for a second. Please do not modify version 1. Okay, how does it look inside of this? What the hell? Oh yeah, I popped up in your notifications. I'm happy I did. What the fuck is this new material? What? Oh my god. I don't think I will. But what is this new material? What the fuck? Now I'm confused. Hi! How you doing? What is going on? Okay, give me a sec. I gotta fix a material, apparently. So... if I go inside this material here, and I go inside this, what the how am I supposed to interpret this? Scale, mix, color. I don't get it. Do not modify version 1. Opacity. How would I convert this? How do you convert that material? See, this is me trying to understand the mathematical equations of like a mathematician that's been at it for years. I'm like going through and I'm like, huh? Like, bruh, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Redeem jump scare. Oh god. Oh, here it comes. At least I think it comes. There you go. I love that one. I have oh my god, yes. I have everything on mute. I mean, I can't hear Wilku at all. But, sure. I love your model, by the way. Oh, thank you. Caught up on the amazing. Oh, come on! Not again, bro. It's not from the Amazing Digital Circus. It's just in. I literally made this character before the Amazing Digital Circus was even announced, which is sad. Everyone says the same thing. Okay, so. How do I handle this? Like, if I... Alright? Because this is the image layer, right? And then it exports into the... How the fuck did the original material work then? Like, this is the original. Right? No, this is not the original. This is the original. I think. I think these are just the image texture. John, regretfully mine. Yes, it does sound like the name of someone people should subscribe to. Right now, I'm troubleshooting stuff, so for anyone that's joining in just now, I am trying to fix a problem. I don't know how to fix said problem. There is a update paint system data button. What that does, I don't know. I really do not know what that button does. Who this pedals is? Hi, cowboy. What the fuck? Who this pedals is? See, if I select this, it tells me to update the thing. And when I press update, it gives me an error. When I go in... What the... Where's the material? It's not there. New image layer. I think this had 3 layers. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It had 5 layers. Base color, shading, line art. I don't... What the fuck is it called? Man, this sucks. Pixar didn't have... What the fuck is going on in chat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just do 5, because that seems to be the lucky number. What? So, base, shading, highlights, detail. At least that's what I remember. All that goes into this? Group graph. Yeah, then it goes into this. You guys are just so... It's so chatty over there. It's nice to see that, you know? Right now, I'm just troubleshooting, and you guys are just going crazy in chat. I love this. It makes my job so easy. Makes it so I can, like, concentrate on fixing the issue that I'm having. Oh, cause it's a base white. Yeah, I remember now. Ah, that's why there's so many. I don't need that layer anymore, to be fair. UV map. Let's Control C that. And we can go like this. And we can delete that, dude. All right. Let's see if this actually works. I'm the average VTuber viewer where I ignore the streamer entirely and just bother people in chat and say things off topic. Fair enough. You are. Despite being deaf, I feel I am contributing to the conversation very effectively. I agree. You are very effective at your conversational skills, sir. Good job. What is this sound? What am I listening to? My god, I had to go through like 3 different groups. Okay, I think I'm effectively updating it. I don't know. But if I gotta do this for every texture, that's gonna be annoying. Like, there's an update button. You know what? I'm lazy. I'm just gonna downgrade to a version where it actually works. What version that was, I don't know. I am lazy. All I know is that this is what the default system should look like. And that I should copy that. Also, I should close... I'll close it after I'm done downgrading. Options. No, not options. Edit. Preferences. Install. From disk. It really does suck that I have to downgrade, though. See, now all my stuff is back. That's good. Alright, let's keep working for now. Later on, I'm gonna deal with all the nodes. Termit farmer, I would probably feed him to my... What the fuck? That is cursed, but sure. Emotional support. Anyways, let's continue texturing. Have you had a deal with the lantern flies? What? Read my previous message. What did you say, cowboy? I just completed all city events in USM, but I still gotta do all the races and combat tours and collect all tokens and complete the main mission. Huh. Cool. Somehow not at fault. I honestly, I don't know. I've never made a chat rules. Don't be racist, I guess. And don't, like, the basics of my chat are don't be racist, don't spam, don't, I guess don't discriminate, I guess. But that's the same as being not racist. Ah, whatever. Don't be sexist would be one. I don't have very complicated rules. They're very simple and clear. But yeah, I don't know. Shading 1. Let's start shading, boys. Have you ever played Turnip Boy? It commits tax evasion? The way you're like talking just reminds me of that game. Okay, let me close this and I'll update it to like the newer version of Paint system later. My computer is, oh my god, my computer is struggling, bro. Is that dark enough? I'll layer it. Oh, it's doing the thing. I wish I could see. Toggle erase alpha, and we just delete this. There we go. Sorry I haven't been talking. Wonder what petals would look like with a realistic shark head. Oh god. No. Would probably do the same to you if you were a turnip farmer. Oh my god. What? Commit tax evasion? I go to read chat, I see weird stuff, and I'm like, yeah, fair enough. I wish I could see my folds. I sadly cannot. Also, this music is pretty sick. You know what? Who needs base shading anyways? Like, I just need to see where the heck the folds go, bro. This is way easier to paint. Like, having the toon shader does not help when it comes to, like, the shading stuff. No, he will just eat you. What the heck? Wonder what petals would look like with a realistic shark head. Okay, that's what you said already. I don't know why I read that twice. I just thought there was way more messages than I thought there were. Leave me alone. It's not my fault. I'm not used to active chats like this. I don't get them very often. It's a little disturbing, if I'll be honest. Are you obsessed with shark? No. 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 No, that's just... No. No. Bad. No. Okay. And now the way I can do it is like this. And just paint it in where I painted. If you've never painted cloth before, it's kind of like painting water flowing. When it comes to the shadows, that is. At least that's how I paint my cloth. It's pretty fun. Oh my god, it's TV time! Guys, it's TV time! I love TV time. God, I love TV time. If Pedals had a realistic tracker, then he would have been a Jaws. Sadly, he can only be a streamer. Oh my god. You keep talking about Jaws. Jaws the movie. Are you a fan of that movie by chance? Hey, it's Stray music. Stray is the best game, bro. I'm sad that the developers of Stray just don't exist anymore. It's sad. But that's what happens when companies get taken over by crappy people. Oops. I forgore. Whatever, it's layering, I don't care. And now it's back to just cowboy talking. Lovely times. Gotta love that. I'm guessing he went back to the stream. I certainly saw a glorified Predacon that was in my living last night on the window and just snuck up on the snag with a glue trap? Oh. Oh, so you caught a bug. Listen, I did not know you knew the scientific name to a bug like that, bruh. Like, how do you read that name? A Predacon. Or maybe I read that incorrectly? Who knows? Either way, I'm cooked. Man, I'm happy that I actually know how to use Blender. So when it comes to fixing node-related issues, I'm like, I got this. And I just fix them. I'll do that off camera, but right now it's just because I'm streaming. I need to do this right now. Thus, I am fixing that later. That's a problem for future me. I am not gonna fix that right now. Yes, I know. Victory time. I love Final Fantasy music, bro. This is from the remake, by the way. This is when you win the event in the Coliseum, I think. I'm a transport geek. I was making a Beast War joke because the Hornet was like whispering Waspinator big. Okay. I should have asked you to put shark in the design for the ring around the arm. Oh, you know what? I can still do that. I can put sharks here. Agreed. The Decepticons for Beast Wars. Is bad at choosing targets. I mean, I could turn it into sharks if I really wanted to. Did I do this in a separate layer? Give me a sec. First, let me save. I think I did do it in a separate layer. Give me a sec. Race Alpha? Yes, I did it in a separate layer. I could add sharks to this. Then again, it is very annoying. Like, the current pattern looks good, though. First, let me see how the pattern would look with a shark. This music goes crazy. Right, so I'll go Race Alpha. Waspinator does not regret destroying that school bus. What the heck? Waspinator. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna erase the pattern I already made, but I am gonna add the occasional shark. Like, just in between the pattern, there's just sharks. It's a penguin. Cute detail, yeah. I love that. I don't remember if I told you this before, but I was extremely sick last night. However, I'm feeling much better now. I still gotta take my meds though. Oh, alright. Fair enough. Here we go. Waspinator does not discriminate. Waspinator kills. I completely forgot that Waspinator was part of the Decepticons.
Give me more,
Give me more. Like right now it looks like a fish until I add the little like fin here. And then it starts looking more like a shark. And then like the little boop there. There we go. Now it has a little shark pattern. Like occasionally there's a shark. I love that so much. That's such a cute little detail. The pattern is hand painted, so I'm happy I could edit that. There. Yo, you drawing a fish speaking at a fish, you can get 10%. Oh my god, the code fish. Speaking of fish, you can get 10% off with code fish on Gamer Subs. God damn. Another reason for the little sharks is that I don't own that design on the sleeve, and only the crosses and those activators are historical. You're doing here is perfect. Well, the thing is, I didn't copy the design. If we go to the original, you'll see. Well, it's hard to see, but it's nothing like that. It's rounded like this, and then you have like little like weird ass patterns going on. It's like plants. My version is a square, which is rounded off slightly, and then it's like this. I had a completely different pattern from the original because I knew that that's how it was. They'll win too late. Don't read it or else they win. Oh, right. Too late. I already read it. It's okay, Codefish is from another YouTuber. I don't like fish. I don't like gamer subs because they cost too much. But hey, if you got the disposable income. One of these days I'll be sponsored. One of these days. When that day happens, I'm gonna get like 50 bucks. Depending on how many people click on the link. It's pretty funny. I think you can actually request to get a sponsor. Like you can ask them like, hey, can I get a sponsor? But they'll only respond to you if you have a big following, sadly. If they reach out to you, it's guaranteed though. Look, we'll say something witty. Being deaf is fun. I love the blue sleeves detail. Alright. I'm happy they look good. I would agree on the being deaf is great, but I don't know if being deaf is good. In my opinion. Okay. Oh, I need the lighter, darker details. We're doing the gloves. Very cool. Oh good, it is mirroring. I was worried it wasn't. Actually, I'm gonna add highlights to there. Splatoon music. Hey Wilku, what is your opinion on Splatoon music? Do you like it? Do you like Splatoon as a game? I should play Splatoon sometime. I'll probably do it someday. I don't know though. Because it has a story mode. Splatoon is an awesome game. I don't play it much anymore, but it was a lot of fun. Yeah, I agree. It does look really fun. You should get sponsored by... No. No. No, no, no. We do not speak the name of that person. Read my first message. Oh my god. The Deaf Man. Oh, it's fucking Friday Night Funkin'. Friday Night Funkin' was cool for a while. I did honestly get on the trend of like trying to play it. I was never good at it. I never got good at playing Friday Night Funkin'. In fact, I failed several times and I could never stream it. I just suck at DDR on keyboard. But DDR on my feet, I go crazy. I'm the DDR god on my feet, bro. Apparently this is music from Overwatch. Nostalgia, creepypasta, antagonist making a comeback. I know, right? That was cool. As for detail, well, I can't really do that with this. So I'm just gonna... Oh, actually, I want it to blend, though. There, I'll just call this detail 2. Let me look at the original. Okay, it's just direct. Let me look at the original. Okay, it has like little rings. I knew it. I knew I wasn't imagining shit. Robo battle! If you eat a mermaid as a human or a fish, does that make you a cannibal? Or if you only eat the fish, or if you, as a mermaid, if you eat a fish or a human, as a human and only eat the human part as a fish, does that will still make you a cannibal? No, because technically it's another species. So if you eat a mermaid, you're okay. You're technically eating another species. You're the only difference is you're eating a humanoid. And people will judge you for eating said humanoid. I love Journey music. Always such a vibe. Also, in case you're curious why I made these black, I can just lower the saturation of them. Journey was one of those games where it's more of an art piece than a game. So you're just there for the experience of playing said game. Is eating your ancestors considered cannibalism? Obviously. And twice, if you eat your ancestors, like... You'll just never exist. There we go. Nice and detailed. As for the gloves... How do I handle this? I don't know. For now, I'm gonna work on the belt, probably. Do I want to work on the... I'll work on the hands later. I don't want to work on the hands right now. My god, I'm laggy. Wait, this is Plants vs. Zombies. Yep. Yes, eating yourself is cannibalism. Anything related to eating the same species is cannibalism. Or rather, your own species is considered cannibalism. Anything that's strictly not considered your species, feel free to eat. Like, for example, a centaur. A centaur is not your species. You can eat a centaur. They're mostly cow. Now we go to highlights. There we go. I'll read your message in a bit. Give me a sec. I'm working. The detail work is amazing. Thank you. I spend a lot of time on models. Let's go back to the highlights. There we go. That belt looks way better now. Control S. Alright. I feel like you're forced to only have me in your stream because barely any people come in your streams, or they do but they don't want to chat. To be fair, yeah, not many people want to talk. They just want to lurk. They want me to have me in the background and stuff. It's pretty cool. No, I cannot play zombies on your lawn. Sadly. I can play the normal in-game tune, though. The one that plays in the background, just not the one with lyrics. Apparently that one is copyrighted. I'm here, yes. You are here! Do not worry, I am here. Eat this, Midoriya. Young Midoriya. Just get rid of a bit of the darkness. There. Perfect. What is this music from? I don't recognize it. I don't recognize a lot of things though. You know what? I'll add the paint system to this, but with the updated version instead. For everything that already has paint system on it, I'm just gonna, you know, manually do it. Also, one thing that's bothering me is how white parts of the clothing are. Parts of the clothing are. Add a little bit more gray to it. It just needed a bit more gradient. Much better. That's not it, yeah. It's probably some other song. I just don't know which one it is. What I do for... You know what? I'll just copy the original. In terms of shading. I love shading cloth. Thank you. That's my cat. She was a very cute cat. Her name was Yenny. That's in honor of my cat. She is no longer a Moogoose. But she lives on. Look at her. She's still sleeping and being an absolute nuisance. The legendary cat lives on. Also, this is from the game, the music right now. It's from the game, Haste. That's the name of it. I couldn't remember the name. I should play Haste sometime. Seems like a fun game. English is not my first language. In the movie Rango. Petals acts like he belongs to the movie Rango. Oh my god. In 2016? Damn. Man, that sucks. Still, I like to commemorate her. You gotta think of pets like as if they were like a really cool person. Like for example, whenever we remember Technoblade, we don't remember him sadly. No, no, no. You gotta remember Technoblade went to fight God in a 1v1 in Bed Wars. At least that's the canon statement that everyone gives. He went to Valhalla. My cat went to Valhalla. She's fighting other cats. I know it. She was a pretty big fighter though, to be fair. If a male cat came up to her, she would hiss at it and she would fight the other cat. She was really cool. Cool cat moments. I remember this one time I was playing Stray and she would look at the you know, like at the title screen. Anywhere else in the game she didn't give a shit, but whenever we were on the title screen she was like, who's that cat? And she would just stare at it and it was adorable. It's like, oh my god, the game, it's actually working on my cat. She thought it was another cat. I thought it was adorable. Like, of course the cat game would attract cats. That's what I do too. In a certified lonely kid moment, I had set up a board game by myself and he walked in and gently pawed a piece like he wanted to play like I was. Do you footage of that? If so, can I see it please? I do have footage, but sadly I cannot show you. Has a family member in the video, so I can't show it. What the fuck? Is that even affecting? Yeah, it's... Oh, I'm stupid. There, I had a race alpha on. Cats are funny, little creatures that bring us joy. Sadly, I don't have footage of that. It was long ago when this happened. Mid the 2000s. I'm in my 30s. Damn. Okay. At least you have the memory. One thing that I have been concerned about that's been happening to me. Have you ever lost like a loved one and you start forgetting what they looked like? Like off of the top of my head, I can remember general gist of what my mom looked like. I can no longer remember what my mom looks like. Or looked like, because she's, you know. I can't remember, bro. I have photos of her. But off of the top of my head, I can't remember my mom's face. Does that happen to you? I feel like that happens to everyone, though. Damn, you old. What a response. There we go, that's some good cloth texture. That's concerning that, then again, I'm not great with faces in general, even people I see regularly. Sometimes I have to struggle to remember details of my girlfriend's face, and I just saw her yesterday. Really? You can't remember your own... Dude, do you not see her every day? How do you forget how your girlfriend looks? That's insane. That actually does surprise me, though. You not remembering your girlfriend's face? For me, it's just because, well, they've been gone for a while, so it makes sense that I forget. Just adding some dimension. Our shark boy is looking pretty damn good. Damn, you're really old. We don't live with each other. We only spend a couple days a week together. Ah. I don't know. Even... I wouldn't forget my girlfriend's face if I saw her every week. A couple days a week. No, so you see her a couple days a week. That means you've seen her a few times during the week. How do you not remember your girlfriend's face? That's insane. Like, I see my dad once every weekend on Sunday. Yeah, I see my dad every Sunday. I still remember my dad and his face and how he looks, how he dresses. I haven't seen my mom since 2019. So it makes sense that I don't remember her face. For you, like, how do you, seeing your girlfriend every freaking, like, a few times every week, how do you not remember her, brother? I feel like you need to see someone about that. You extremely old? Oh my god. Off the top of my head, I am picture pretty late Latina with glasses, hair that goes from dark brown into blue ends, and her being on her phone. The details are fuzzy. Oh my god. Hey, at least you remember the color of her hair. That's what matters. You should compliment your girlfriend. Go to sleep. Oh my god. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh my god. Hi, Lube. Are you gonna gamble your life savings again? Zzz. I'm almost tempted to not shade the pants, but I have to. Also, quick tidbit of lore. Petals is secretly wearing a ghillie suit. He wears he wears a full body suit. Don't have any to gamble, sad. But yeah, he wears a full body suit. It goes from his arms to his chest, and it goes down to his pants. It's all a One Piece. Get it? Get it? Cause One Piece reference? Oh my god, the lag. Let me save. What the hell, boy? Bye. Oh, there he goes. There goes my hero. It's probably combination of slight aphantasia and White Claw, hard salt sear, and hard salsa. Oh, that makes sense. But yes, secretly, Petals is always wearing a ghillie suit. Interesting. Also, secretly, Petals has a flat ass. Heroes of the Storm had some cool music, bro. I'm just sad that Heroes of the Storm just never took off. Ever. It's a game that just died. Because it had all the, like, signs of being a successful game, you know? Like, it had a lot of franchises working for it. It had StarCraft, it had Warcraft, it had, some other games, like Overwatch and stuff. It had all the signs of being a successful title. And they fucked up by making it so nobody could just, you know, become a carry. It's a team game. So, yeah. Not that other games like Dota and stuff aren't team games. It's just, it's hard to play a game and have fun with it when it's purely a team game. For the record, I do picture things in my head and I have dreams where I see things in detail. It's just sometimes my ADHD gets in the way with pictures, all the details when I awake. Do you find it offensive that I call you sausage in real life as well? I mean, I find it weird. Why are you calling me sausage in real life? That's weird. At least if you're talking to someone, refer to me by my actual name on YouTube. That way they can look me up correctly. Hey Wilco, do you like the amount of detail I'm putting into Petals' like base body texture? To you in real life, and I called you sausage. Do you find that offensive or weird? I find it weird. Don't call me sausage in real life. That's weird. If you guys ever see me in real life, do not call me weird stuff like sausage. Just call me the cartoony clown man you see. It's like, holy crap, it's that cartoony clown man. And I'll just instantly know, oh my god, it's one of my viewers. What about like Swagger or R just cause your last name is just R? No. Swag is okay. I'm okay with that one. If you just call me R, I'm like, huh? Who's the pirate? It's the demon clown. Oh yeah, baby, that's looking good. That's some good texturing. And now the shoes. Predator no. You can call me Fiddles. Yes. Not Predator Clown. That sounds so wrong. What the fuck? Predator Clown? What the hell, man? That sounds horrible. You know sure as hell that that does not sound right. What the fuck? Predator clone. My god. No. Why does it sound so creepy? Oh, Epic Mickey OST? What the fuck? Why does it sound like Bayonetta music? Read my previous message? You fiddles in real life or call you fiddles while talking to you in real life? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know how I would interact with that. Okay, so now Okay. Why is it that my voice in my head sounds younger than that my voice actually sounds like, or in recording? What if I called you Pac-Man Clown in real life? I don't know. No, I don't know. What does my internal voice sound like? Honestly? I feel like my inner voice adjusts depending on what I'm thinking of. So for example, if I'm thinking of a character, my inner voice just turns into that character's voice. Like the one in my thoughts. So yeah, I don't have a particular voice that I have in my head. If it's just me thinking of myself, or by myself rather, I guess it's my normal talking voice. I don't know why it would be my younger voice. Like, for example, if I'm thinking of my character Fiddles interacting with another character, they sound like a crazy demon clown creature. See ya, cowboy. What do you know of crypt Zoology. Yeah, no, cryptozoology. I don't. I don't think I know anything about that. No. Do you have any animals you can give me as an example as a part of cryptozoology? That usually helps me locate myself. Unless it's something like the zoology of cryptids, in which case, like, yeah, that makes sense. I will await the response. My ankle no longer hurts. I can walk. Good. Now go get a job. Nah, I'm just kidding. Forces. Papers into your hand. Get a job. Job application. Not the job application. It is the study of creatures that haven't been fully accepted by society, like a combination of folklore. Then I did guess it right. Cryptozoology. It's the logic behind cryptids. Oh my god. I fucking guessed it. It's like I was guessing like it must be something like the zoology of cryptids. Or like just creatures that don't exist in general, I guess would be a good descriptor. I'm fucking stoked that I actually guessed that shit. I mean, hey, I bet cryptids are in the cryptozoology category. It's been broken for months? Huh. That's not good. cryptozoologist. Sabrina, my girlfriend, is in amateur cryptozoology. Is into cryptozoology. She got into cryptids during the epidemic. Fair enough. That's a good time to get into that type of shit. She likes them from folklore perspective. Someday I will take her to the International Cryptozoology Museum in Maine or Point Pleasant, West Virginia area. Point Pleasant is insane. They have a statue of Mothman in their town square. And for some reason, it is caked up. I mean, if you're gonna make a statue to an homage to Mothman, you might as well make it caked up, right? Okay, I have finished texturing most of petals. Honestly, it looks good. I did a pretty good job. I'm happy. I know, Wilku. It looks awesome to me. Also, quick tidbit. I textured the inside of his mouth like this, as if it was like a real shark. His tongue as well. Like, look at that. The inside of his mouth is textured like a real shark. I'm very happy with how it's turned out. It looks good. We're gonna texture and rig this. So I'm probably gonna rig this in my free time. Yeah, I know, right? It is pretty good attention to detail. Like, dude, I had to add the emotional support. Little like tag that he had. It's so good. And I've paid a lot of attention to detail. Like, for example, the little like pouches here. I'm copying the pouches here. Like the little like clips here. I added those as well. Like this little pouch here. The only difference is that I added different colors. Mainly to match his current model. But yeah. I also gotta texture this here. Which is like his little thingy. But I'll texture that once I update the paint system. But yeah. That's pretty much it. I am mostly done for today. How long have I been streaming? Only 2 hours. Last time I streamed for like 5. Like the model is mostly textured. I'm sorry, man. I can speak Spanish if you prefer Spanish though. Thanks for coming to watch my stream though. I appreciate it. But yeah. I've made all of this. Everything has been mostly fully textured. It's pretty satisfying spinning him and seeing that he's like fully textured back to front. By the way, do not worry, there is gonna be a toggle to where you can have a fin. Like he'll have a shark fin that you can toggle on and off on the back of his head. He'll also have a shark tail. But I'll model those later and texture them. For now, I'm modeling and texturing base petals. So yeah, he's gonna have a shark tail right here coming out, and he's gonna have a shark fin. Ah, sí que hablas español, eh. Oh. Así que hablas español. ¿Vos me entendés, no? Yo puedo hacer la transición enseguida. No te preocupes. Bienvenido a mi stream para decirte, por cierto. Si sos nuevo al canal, por favor, suscríbete. Y sí, estoy bastante bien. Yo para que sepas vos, este es el modelo que yo hice para un Vtuber llamado lamentablemente mío, sería la ¿de dónde soy? Argentina. Pero sí, la traducción de Regretfully Mine sería lamentablemente mío. Sería la traducción. Pero bueno, es para un Vtuber llamado así, lamentablemente mío. Qué bien. Y este es el modelo que yo estoy haciendo para él. Él es un Vtuber. Y recién terminé básicamente agregándole la textura y todo. Hay objetos que le tengo que agregar textura, como los guantes acá y los dedos de la mano. Este pedazo de cintura, estos cosas acá que no sé qué son. Y el bolso este que tiene al costado. Y las cuerdas de los botines. Y bueno, eso es lo que le falta. Pero ¿por qué no le estoy agregando textura? Es porque voy a agarrar y actualizar el programa que yo uso para pintar adentro de Blender. Y lo voy a pintar con la actualización. El problema está que actualizaron cómo funcionan las texturas y cómo funcionan las capas y no hicieron la transición correctamente. Sí, no, no toma mucho trabajo. Si quieres, está bien que están en inglés, pero creo que tiene subtítulos automáticos en español. Puedes ir a mi segundo canal. Está adentro de mi canal. Si vas para abajo, 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 hay un canal que es mi Swagalicious o Sugar 3D. Hacerle clic a eso y hay un tutorial. Está bien que si no entendés mucho, puedes seguir lo que estás viendo. Pero tiene subtítulos automáticos, creo. Cualquier cosa, si precisas ayuda o algo así, te puedo ayudar con tutoriales que yo conozco. Lamentablemente están todos en inglés. Pero bueno. Anyways, let me transition back to English. Toggles are always good. My girlfriend is considering the VTuber route to do something with her research. Oh, to do with her research. And there's a detail to the character that needs to be a toggle. Yeah, I agree. No, 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 no. Está bien, está bien. Se entiende. Igual, ya la mayoría de la gente ya dijeron que es muy bueno el modelo que estoy haciendo. Y para ser honesto, sí, me gusta cómo está terminado, cómo están todas las texturas, todo. Todo fue hecho a mano. Hasta esto también lo hice a mano. Tiene tiene el detalle que tiene tiburón chiquitos en en el patrón. Es muy lindo. Me gustó cómo terminó siendo este modelo. Hey Wilco, what do you think of my crazy transition from English to Spanish instantly? I reckon Pedals could understand some of what I'm saying. Or like, yeah, Regretfully Mine. He could understand some of what I'm saying because French is somewhat connected to Italian and Italian is connected to Spanish. Like, I can understand parts of French. I can't speak French, but I can understand some parts of French. But yeah, that doesn't mean that he can instantly understand what I'm saying in Spanish. Lo que sí me gusta de este modelo, por cierto, para la persona acá, me gusta cómo hice la textura. Para que tengas un punto de referencia, la manera en que yo hago textura es como lo hacen en la serie Arcane. Si no la viste en Netflix, es la serie Arcane. O como como las texturas se ven en el Marvel Rivals. No sé cómo. No sé si Marvel Rivals tiene un nombre diferente en español. No me sé. Nos vemos, amigo. Cuídate. Que tengas un buen día. But yeah, the style I've made this, like texturing, is similar to how they do it in Marvel Rivals. You can like kind of notice the slight tidbits of Marvel Rival in it. In reality, my biggest inspiration is the style that they use in the TV series Arcane from Netflix. But don't tell Pedals. He doesn't like stuff related to that. Though, to be fair, for the most part, the bigger inspiration is Marvel Rivals. I tried so hard to copy Marvel Rivals. Like, let me pull up some arts from like Marvel Rivals so you can get a point of reference. I used Jeff the Shark as a reference for shark part. Here we go. Oh my god, why is that such a cursed Jeff the Shark? Here we go. Let me pull it up. Like, there's some parts I need to change to match Jeff the Shark a little better. But you can notice somewhat the stylistic choice. Like, you'll notice I have like the same style on the bags when it comes to like the cell shading. Though when it comes to a lot of other textures, like for example this, you'll notice they have big use of like lines to mark specific parts. That's because it's cell shaded. They cell shade stuff to match the comics. When it comes to the painting style itself, it has like sharp bits that cut off. I don't have that, but I kind of have that on Petals here. You can notice it specifically here where it like jagged pieces here. But yeah, I really do try to match the Marvel Rival style when it comes to base texturing. Jeff the Shark. Look at our boy. He's so cute. He's just a little guy. I'll keep Jeff the Shark here as like a good reference for his shark tail, that is. Because there's no real reference to shark details on him, but I plan on just using Jeff's tail and his fin as like a reference. So cute. Anyways, I think I'm done for today. Let me quickly switch to this screen. Oh, una duda más, disculpa la molestia. De casualidad, ¿trabajas con los modelos de Suzy y Bob? ¿Con el creador de Sando? No. Es que me gusta su serie y por ellos vi contigo. Soy tu fan secreto, perdón. ¡No! Está bien, ¿eh? Se entiende. No, yo no trabajo con Desando. No trabajo con él. Hice los modelos como fan. Y me encanta que me encontraste debido a eso. Eso es genial. Muy genial, me encanta eso. Pero no, los modelos los hice yo como fan hace rato. Tengo que actualizarlos para que tengan para que yo pueda animarlos. Pues tenía planeado hacer una animación 3D eventualmente, cuando supiera más sobre el programa. Pero bueno. Cell shading can quickly take a design from disturbing to endearing when it comes to 3D. I'm better at Spanish than your girlfriend? That's funny. Yeah, I switched to Spanish like that instantly. Anyways, what I wanted to talk about was, like, I was looking at Jeff the Shark. Let me show you what I saw. If we go back, this is what I saw. I'm like, what is that, bro? Oh, hell no, that's creepy. Sí, ya sé. Me han contado que está en una lista de play en YouTube. Él lo agrega a su lista de fanart. Like, why is this so creepy? And then there's this. What is this? That's so creepy. Why does Jeff look like that, man? What have they done to my cute boy? And then there's this. Oh my god, that video. I remember watching that. But yeah, people doing some weird shit with Jeff the Shark, bro. Anyways. Twitch. Oh my god. What is she looking at, bro? That thumbnail. Also, look, other 3D VTuber. Anyways. Anyone I know live? No. Anyone on YouTube that I know is if they're live? Gen AI, no. Also, you guys should watch this guy. He makes good content. Oh my god, and Nardo uploaded a new video. I'm gonna watch that. I'm also gonna watch that. Let's see. Nobody I know is live. That sucks. Anyways. Let me switch to this screen then. Here we go. You want to see something cursed? Look up the inspiration for what my girlfriend wants to Monster Girl version of for the VTuber Sona. Snolly Jester. I'm curious now. Oh my god, what is that thing? Jesus, that thing is cursed. But that could be a cool character design. I like it. Anyways. Bueno, perdón la molestia. Esta vez sí me iré. Encantado de conocerte. Espero volver a verte. Te amo, besos. Oh. Ah. Perdón la última que dije. Ah. Tú. Y tú. Let me do it for you. Anyways. That is a weird creature. Because that's literally what... Here, let me show you what I'm seeing, by the way. Just chatting. There. Look at this. Freaking La Criatura. What is this? It's... Creature. It's just a creature. La Criatura. What is this? This is from Fallout. Why does it have tentacles in its mouth, bro? Appalachia Mountains? Oh god. I don't want to go there now. that is so creepy. Look at this one! Yo! Folklore Bestiary. Here's another one. Oh, this one has like spikes coming out of its mouth. Yo, it's fighting a wolf? That's crazy. Look, it's like fighting a wolf. What? This one's saying something. Tentacles. What? Okay. And there's this. That thumbnail though. There's this one too. Ah, this one doesn't have as many tentacles. I think this is AI generated. Who knows? It doesn't look AI? I mean, kinda. What is this? Oh my god, the design. What the hell? That looks sick. What is this? You live close to this thing? Oh god. What is this? That's inside of a game. What the fuck? What game is this? That thing looks weird, bruh. It's just random chicken. Ah, yes. And there's this. What the? That is creepy. Who the hell? What is this from? That looks so creepy. Also, Confederate flag. Crazy. But yeah, la criatura. Creature. Absolute creature. What is it doing to the cow, by the way? Oh, it's just kidnapping the cow. Alright. It's not doing anything nefarious to the cow. Anywho. Oh, alright. Anyways, that is all for today. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe today. If you want to support me, you can support me through Ko-Fi, right down here. I don't know if you can see it there. It's right there. You can click on it. You can support me through that. If you want to get notified when I'm live, you can follow me on Twitch. Or you could press notifications and turn them on for my channel here on YouTube. If you want to support my art, you can go to my DeviantArt. It's down there too, I guess. And if you want to see random stuff I post, you can go to my Blue Sky. Like and subscribe, folks. Yes, Wilku has it right. In any case, I am going to complete this model off camera. I'm just gonna go through, fix all the textures and stuff. I'll contact the original creator to ask him if there's an easier way to convert the textures. And if there isn't, then yeah. For now, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye! Let me switch it to the ending soon screen. I actually have one of these now. I'm very happy I have this. Look at this. The ending soon screen. And then I can just pause the music. I'm gonna quickly close everything. Because I am done for today. There we go. And I can turn off my deck. Ah, damn it, I turned it back on. I'll just turn it off as soon as it turns on. Like and subscribe, folks. Hopefully I'll finish the model by today. Who knows? I'll probably finish it by today. stepped on by a big lady. That big lady being another character I made that I would have to finish as well and do stuff. I'll probably finish her later. In case you're curious, her name is Aisha. She's a character I made. I'll make Aisha stepping on me. She is a tall lady. I go, I rest my voice. I'll probably make myself do something else. And then I'm gonna maybe lie in bed for a while. It's only gonna be you guys can converge onto something else. Go adventure into the world. Support your artists, people. Support your artists. And Roku, tell your girlfriend she's very cool. Make sure to include the fact that a demon clown said that. Don't give any context. Just tell her a demon cloud told me to tell you that you're very cool.